الصابرين. Surah Saffat, verse 102. Then, when the boy reached the age of work with him, Ibrahim ﷺ said, "Oh my dear son, I have seen in a dream that I must sacrifice you. So tell me what you think." He replied, "Oh my dear father, do as you are commanded. Allah willing, you will find me steadfast." Narrated by Abu Hurairah radhiyallahu ta'ala anhu, Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Whoever does not sacrifice despite being able to should not even come near our ground." Ibn Majah. Anyway, I don't like to prolong my session. That's all for the moment. Thank you so much. May Allah bless you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.